Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Madan Kataria. I want to share with you a very powerful yet simple and easy to learn meditation. It is called Breath Connect Meditation. It is a technique of visualization and breathing at the same time. You see someone's image in your mind and breathe for that person. It will help you to connect with people in a mysterious way and improve your relationship with them. To spread the movement of laughter clubs worldwide, I needed the network of laughter leaders and teachers around the world who could run these laughter clubs for free in the public interest. In the beginning, I found it very hard to communicate with people coming from different cultural backgrounds, different thinking and mindsets. I discovered this Breath Connect meditation way back in 1999 that has not only helped me to connect with most of them in a very positive way, but also helped me to start thousands of laughter clubs without any marketing and publicity. Every morning I sat for an hour and was breathing for all my leaders and teachers, and that has really helped me to spread this movement. And till today I am breathing for them. Let me explain how this Breath Connect meditation works. In this meditation we use two faculties of mind. One is mind's voice. These are the thoughts we think in the mind through which we talk to ourselves. Second is mind's eye, through which our thoughts are converted into images which we see on our mental screen. These thoughts and images are transmitted as vibrations into the universe that can be perceived by anyone in this world. These are called invisible transmissions of your intentions. As we all know, we all breathe in the same environment. We share the common atmosphere. So, breathing is a common connection between all the living beings. Our body, mind, and the whole universe is connected through breathing. This was all about the explanation of Breath Connect meditation. Please go to the second track where I will lead you through the practice session.